Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Sanshan King Cultural Festival held in Changhua County is one of the 12 major Hakka festivals. Sanshan King refers to the mountain gods of Dushan, Mingshan, and Qinshan in Guangzhou. These gods were the guardians of the Hakka people who immigrated to Taiwan. As well as the main ceremonies, the festival includes a historical exhibition and free Hakka dishes for everyone to enjoy.
Yo, 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 it's time for Talk About Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係Lim Zepsiu. It's Joseph Lin along with Leo to talk more about the Hakka culture. And this is the month of October. I know a lot of festivities are going on for Taiwan, and I'm sure even in the Hakka culture too. 其实这个 again， 因为10月份，感觉好像很多这个庆典在发生，很多对等等。好10月就是很多要庆祝的时候，对，光辉的10月。有什么样的这个庆典也是这个客家文化里面在10月会举办？
那今天我们就去彰化好了。
哦，彰化好，来，你要带我们去哪里？
带大家去彰化的三山国王文化节，三山国王文化节。
三山国王嘛，对不对？
对。
三山国王我们常常介绍，所以有一个节日跟三山国王有关系，就对了。
对，就是在彰化那边，它因为当地呢，它有很多座的那个三山国王庙对，所以就是变成一个12大节庆里面的一个三山国王的文化节。
Okay, so again, this is one of the 12 major Hakka festivals taking place in Changhua County this month, and it's called the Sanshan King Cultural Festival. OK， 其实这三山国王真的就是有3座山，对不对？
对，就是其实他国王他只是一个尊称啦，其实他就是3座山的山神。
Okay. You know, it's called the Sanshan King Cultural Festival, and Sanshan literally means 3 mountain, so the 3 mountain king, and it actually consists of 3 different mountains. 所以这3个山到底是哪3个山呢？
它是独山、托山，还有名山、闽山，跟金山、景山。
Okay, those are the 3 different mountains, and now this month in Changhua, you can attend the Sanshan King Cultural Festival, 也叫做三山国王，应该是三山国王文化节。
对。
How do you say that in Hakka? 怎么说？
三山国王文化节。
三山国王文化节。So there you go. It's one of the major Hakka festivals here in Taiwan. Go have fun in Changhua County, and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.